Think about it. Where were you 7 years ago? A different city. A different job. A different version of yourself? Maybe. But let me tell you something. The body you had back then is gone. At least, that's what they say. Every 7 years, you become a completely new person. You've heard this. Maybe from a doctor. Maybe from a magazine. Maybe from a grandmother. And it sounds so reasonable. Because your body really does renew itself. Cells die. New ones are born. The cycle continues. But where did the number 7 come from? Nobody knows for certain. Some researchers trace it back to a Swedish biologist named Jonas Friesen and his groundbreaking work on cellular age. But Friesen never said anything like that. What he actually said was far more complicated. Here is the truth. Not every cell in your body renews at the same rate. The cells lining your stomach wall, they replace themselves every 5 days. 5 days. The cells in your stomach right now won't be there next week. Your skin? 2 to 4 weeks. Every month you're wearing an almost entirely new surface. Your liver? It fully renews itself in roughly 4 years. Your bones? 10 years. Some of your bone cells carry you for an entire decade. And your heart muscle beats through your whole life, largely with the same cells it started with. But what about the brain? This is where it gets interesting. The vast majority of neurons in your brain are the ones you were born with. They don't change. They don't renew. They simply remain for years, for decades. And it's not just the brain. The cells inside your eye lens were given to you at birth, and they will stay with you until the very end. Think about that. The lens through which you are seeing the world right now is the same one that saw your first breath. So here is the question that needs asking. If some of your cells change and some stay the same, how true is the idea that you become a new person every 7 years? The answer is both yes and no. Your body as a whole is never fully replaced. But parts of it are in constant motion, constant renewal, constant flux. This actually echoes one of the oldest philosophical puzzles in history. The ship of Theseus. If every plank of a ship is replaced one by one, is it still the same ship? Your body is asking you the same question. 7-year number is a myth. But the truth behind it is far more remarkable. You are neither fixed nor entirely fleeting. Every day, a part of you dies. A part of you is born. And both of those things happening at once, together, is what makes you, you.